Have you ever wondered which countries around the world have the most gold? Well, I'm about to reveal in this video why some countries are super rich and hold a greater amount of gold than others. Hey there, this is Simply Economics. Don't miss a fantastic video from this channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm here to tell you interesting facts and figures on which countries hold the most gold. Gold has long been seen as a valuable asset, and it has become increasingly hard to acquire these days. So what are the nations that have managed to stockpile mountains of it? You'll find out. Understanding gold reserves. Gold has been used as a medium of exchange for thousands of years. From the 17th to 20th centuries, paper money issued by governments was backed by and redeemable in physical gold. This precious metal played a crucial role in international trade and the need for countries to maintain gold reserves for economic and political reasons. Modern governments no longer require gold backing for their currency, but they retain significant reserves of bullion to protect against economic crises. Governments consistently increase their gold reserves by hundreds of metric tons each year. Gold serves as a valuable asset for businesses, finding its applications in medicine, jewelry, and electronics. It also acts as a safeguard against inflation or recession, attracting both institutional and retail investors. What is the purpose of countries maintaining a gold reserve? Gold has historically provided stability in global prices and facilitated international trade. Despite the end of the gold standard in 1971, many countries still hold gold reserves as a safeguard against economic uncertainty. In 2022, gold demand increased by 28% due to surging inflation and economic uncertainty, with central banks accumulating reserves at an unprecedented rate since 1967. This surge in demand highlights the enduring allure and value of gold in turbulent times. How much is gold worth? The price of gold has experienced significant fluctuations driven by factors like supply and demand, interest rates, and market volatility. From a low of $274 per ounce in 1970 to a high of $2,499 per ounce in 1980, the price of gold currently sits at around $1,900 per ounce in 2023. This translates to over $67 million per metric ton of gold. Investing in gold, such as through a self-directed gold IRA, can provide protection against inflation, maintain value, and diversify your portfolio. Top countries with the largest gold reserves in the world. As of March 2022, these 5 countries have the largest gold reserves. Number 5, Russia, 2,301.6 tons. In 2018, Russia became the 5th largest holder of gold, surpassing China and solidifying its position in the global gold market. This shift in gold reserves was a strategic move to diversify beyond American investments and reflected Russia's growing confidence in the precious metal. To achieve this diversification, Russia sold a significant amount of U.S. Treasury bonds to acquire substantial amounts of gold bullion, highlighting its belief in the long-term value and stability of this tangible asset. Number 4, France, 2,436.5 tons. Former President of France, Charles de Gaulle, was partially responsible for the collapse of the Bretton Woods system when he called the U.S. bluff and began actually trading dollars in for gold from the Fort Knox reserves. Then President Richard Nixon ended the U.S. gold standard by removing the fixed rate of $35 per gold ounce, which he considered undervalued. This decision marked the end of the automatic conversion of the dollar into gold. Number 3, Italy, 2,451.8 tons. The Eurozone crisis, which severely impacted Italy's economy, prompted discussions about the possibility of the Italian government selling some of its gold reserves to generate much-needed funds. However, despite the suggestions and debates surrounding this proposal, no concrete plans were ever implemented or materialized. Number 2, Germany, 3,359.1 tons. Germany, known for its prudent approach, strategically safeguards its gold reserves across 3 major financial hubs. These include the Deutsche Bundesbank in Frankfurt am Main, the renowned U.S. Federal Reserve Bank branch in New York, and the esteemed Bank of England in London. By diversifying its locations, Germany ensures the security and stability of its valuable assets in different geopolitical contexts. And number 1, United States, 8,133.5 tons. During the Bretton Woods system, the United States played a crucial role by safeguarding other countries' gold reserves in exchange for dollars. This led to an astonishing fact. American vaults held between 90% and 95% of the world's gold reserves. This demonstrated the country's significance in the global financial system. Even decades later, the United States continues to hold the largest amount of gold reserves among nations. In fact, gold constitutes over 75% of its total foreign reserves. This significant holding emphasizes the enduring value and appeal of gold as a store of wealth and a strategic asset for countries. Gold reserves continue to hold significance for governments and investors alike, providing a stable foundation in times of economic uncertainty. With its timeless appeal and tangible value, gold remains a valuable asset that is highly sought after by countries and individuals seeking to safeguard their wealth against inflation or other economic crises. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future content. We truly appreciate your support. See you in the next one.